Hello everybody, Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to replace the battery in a mains powered smoke alarm. Now a mains powered smoke alarm will also have a 9-volt battery as backup. So I'll show you how to replace it. Right, let's get cracking. And obviously it's very important to have your smoke alarm working properly, which normally means replacing the battery once a year. This is our smoke alarm here, and you can tell it's mains powered because if you come around the edge on the side, it's got the writing on it saying mains powered, but also with a 9-volt battery. And that 9-volt battery is the battery that we're going to be replacing. So on the side of the unit, you've got this safety pin. What you need to do is just grip that with your fingers and just pull that outwards and store that somewhere safe. And there's a link above now about how to test car fuses without having to remove them using a multimeter. What you do then is twist the smoke detector clockwise about 10 or 20 degrees, and then it just lifts away. But be careful not to pull it too far because obviously it's still plugged into the mains power. Now we need to remove this unit completely so we can change the battery. So what you're doing is you're squeezing the edges. So you're squeezing it with your fingers and pulling it outwards. And there we've got that unplugged. I've just turned it upside down here, and what you're doing is you're pushing that flap inwards and lifting it upwards at the same time. And there is the 9-volt battery. Now this is really easy to remove. All you're doing is just pulling this tab up and it should just pop out. And it's got a safety lever there, which we'll be pushing back down when we install the new battery. Now I'm quickly going to test this on a battery tester, and this is just above low, so it does need replacing. Take your brand new 9-volt battery, I've got a Sony one here, and make sure that you put it in the right way round. Obviously you've got the positive and the negative, and you're pushing this safety lever inwards and just tucking it underneath the tab there. And that is in. Make sure that tab is underneath so it's easily removable for the next time that you do this. Close the flap. Let's just stop for a quick cup of tea before we put it back on. And there's a link above now about how to clean your UPVC window frames so they stay clean. And this just pushes straight on. You don't have to squeeze those edges. Now when you offer it up, make sure that those wires go up inside and don't get trapped or kinked. You just push those up inside. Now just push it in flat with that hole slightly to the right hand side. Push it in, and then you're turning it anti-clockwise till that hole lines up. Then take your pin and just push that in. And then obviously you need to test it to make sure that it's all working properly. So just push the test button. Fabulous. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.